Okay, in this example, I'm going to be finding the line of best fit. Alright, you're always going to start out with a chart. So you'll have your x values and you have your y values. Okay, your first step is always to find the mean of the x and the mean of the y values. Alright, then you're going to pick a point from the chart and find the slope. So you got to remember that slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay? Then you're going to use the slope and the point you picked to sub back into point-slope form. So y minus y1 equals mx minus x1, and then we'll make that into slope-intercept form. Once we're done with that, we can make our line of best fit over here on the graph. Okay? So, if I start, my first step is just to find the mean of x and y. So I got to add them all up and divide by 5. So 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 6 plus 1 divided by 5 equals. Alright, so that would be 21 divided by 5, which equals 4.2. Okay, then I have 5 plus 10 plus 8 plus 12 plus 1. Divide that by 5. Alright, so that gets me 36 divided by 5, which ends up being 7.2. Okay, so this is going to be my x1, y1. So 4.2, 7.2 is my x1, y1. Okay, then I have to pick one of these points from the chart up top. So I'm just going to pick 3, 5 because it's the first one there. So 3, 5. That is my x2, y2. Alright, then I got to find slope. So it'd be 5 minus 7.2 over 3 minus 4.2. And that ends up being, negative 2.2 over negative 1.2, which ends up being 1.8. There's my slope, so that's my m. Alright, now, I know my slope, so 1.8 equals m, and the point that I chose up top was 3, 5, so that's my x1, y1. Alright, I can sub it into point-slope form. Alright, so I'm going to go y minus 5 equals 1.8 times x minus 3. Alright, so I have to distribute. So it'd be y minus 5 equals 1.8x minus 1.2. Okay, then I gotta get y by itself. So that's a minus 5, so I'm going to add 5. Okay, that cancels, and I get y equals 1.8x plus 3.8. Okay, there we go. Alright, so my equation is y equals 1.8x plus 3.8. Alright, now I can graph my scatter plot and then graph my line of best fit. So I have 0.35, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have the 0.7, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 12. This would be 2 higher than this. And then 1, 1. Boom. Alright, so my slope-intercept form equation is y equals 1.8x plus 3.8. So I go up 1, 2, 3, almost to 4. And I go up 1.8 over 1. 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 Okay. And there is my line of best fit. Okay. There we go.